stuff. Pull one out. Still does it. Do the other one. Then it stops. When I pull the brakes. But once I push them in, light goes off. Once you push the other one in, goes into red. Air leak somewhere. Great stuff. YouTube, it's your boy Trucker Will, trucking it like always, trying to make this money, trying to make this dough, and I have to make my first shop visit. More to come. Here, trucking it with Trucker Will. Right back. So we're back, guys. I'm still sitting here. Got up at 4 o'clock this morning trying to get my load delivered. It was supposed to deliver at 8 o'clock. It's now 9 something. I was having a problem with the truck, as you saw in that video before this screen, that I was having issues with my air pressure, and that's what happens when you do a pre-trip inspection. You find shit out. So I was doing my pre-trip and then was noticing that, so I was like, okay, what the hell's going on? Check my glad hand. Sometimes people do stupid shit to your glad hands. Check that out. Didn't see nothing, and it was still having issues. So it's now 9 o'clock. My load was supposed to deliver at 8. I gotta deliver the other part of this load in Georgia tomorrow, so I can make payroll. I didn't start my 14-hour, literally I started my pre-trip, but then I went back off duty, so my 14 hours is starting, but I didn't drive. So hopefully I'll be able to maybe fix something about it. I doubt it. It's gonna ruin my damn driving. And I checked in early this morning, and they said, oh, yeah, it should be about 8 o'clock. We'll get you in. And it's now 9. And there's 2 trucks. There's a truck that I'm seeing that's in front of me trying to be slick, and it's pissing me off. It's just irritating the shit out of me. So let's go back in here and check it again and see what they talking about. Like I said, I was over here. I was checking glad head. Everything is good. I don't know what the fuck's going on with the truck, but it's pissing me off. So we'll go back here and see what's going on and why they haven't got to us yet. And I'll have more. Let you know what's going on later. What's going on, guys? Trucker Will back. And I figured out what the fuck's wrong with my fucking truck. This is wrong with my fucking truck. Right here. This thing right here, guys. Right here. That's what's fucking wrong with my damn truck. Hose, a line, is jacked up. So this right here, it's gonna fuck me. It's gonna fuck me today. Great. Welcome to the trucking world. Boy, Trucker Will figured it out. Now I gotta get it fixed. Holla.